The Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, the 9th day of May. I'm James Spann. A summer preview. Headlines are forecast through midweek. Highs well up in the 80s. Next chance of rain right at the end of the week, Friday afternoon and Friday night. The weekend looking pretty good. Here we go. Water vapor satellite view early this morning. Couple of big upper lows. One south of Phoenix, the other in the northeast United States. We're in between that, a dry air mass, and a ridge beginning to build in, as you can see. Feels good early this morning. Everybody in the 50s. The cool spots are Gadsden and Fort Payne with 52, but we'll go well up in the 80s today. Around the nation, coldest air over the northeast United States, where we've got some frost and freeze problems early this morning. Freeze and frost warnings in effect from Michigan down through parts of Ohio, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Maryland, and Virginia. But no more frost issues here until sometime this fall. Dry weather today, severe weather possibilities north and west of the state. Tomorrow, day 2, risk of severe weather from parts of Texas up through the Great Plains over into the Ohio Valley. And on day 3, Thursday, got the standard slight risk over parts of Arkansas, the Arklatex region. A marginal risk into West Tennessee, but no problems expected here. And no risk is defined beyond this for day 4, which is Friday. Rain for the next 7 days, about a ½ inch, and this will be with the event Friday afternoon and Friday night. Other than that, things look pretty dry here for a while. So model fans, here we go. The GFS, this is the 06C run, valid this afternoon at 1 o'clock at 500 millibars. Upper low south of Phoenix, upper low over the northeast. And again, ridging building in here. Sunny and very warm. The GFS at 85, the NAM at 87 today. Tomorrow, like summertime, both the NAM and the GFS are at 89. Pretty much the same thing on Thursday. Very warm and dry. Upper 80s are likely. A broad surface low is west of the state. And then Friday, that begins to move in here. But you can see there's no well-defined surface low. And again, the Friday morning looks dry. The rain will likely arrive at some point Friday afternoon or Friday evening. So if you've got something planned outdoors Friday morning, you should be in good shape. Rain arrives late in the day, and this is just after midnight Friday night. Looks pretty wet, 1 a.m. Saturday. Check the instability Friday evening at 7 o'clock. A little tongue of higher instability values over the far western side of the state, over 1,000 joules per kilogram there. But the EHI numbers look pretty low. And again, this just doesn't look like a big severe weather problem. Could there be a strong storm? Yes. And SPC might put up a marginal risk at some point. But again, I just don't think it'll be a big issue. And again, rain amounts about a ½ inch. This is Saturday. The rain should end very early Saturday morning, probably sometime between 3 and 6 a.m. And I think the bulk of the day Saturday will be dry. The sky becomes partly sunny, and the high should be around 80, maybe upper 70s. Sunday, sunshine in full supply, low 80s, beautiful day. Monday of next week, sunny and warm, and a week from today. Got troughing over the northwest United States, and again for us, a very dry air mass. Today should be sunny and warm with mid-80s. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Thursday of next week, May 19th. Again, we'll watch the big upper low in the western states, but again for us, things look pretty quiet. A front north of here, but that looks pretty uneventful. Check the numbers. You can see a cool down Friday and Saturday with highs going back in the 70s. Looks like Sunday morning could be pretty cool. But other than that, next week we go right back in the 80s again as summertime is getting awfully close. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.